I came to Ohio State in 2009, and one of the things that I was really interested here about coming here is because they have a great support system in soybean breeding and genetics. So there's incredible resources and collaborators that work on soybean here. And then in addition, I have great colleagues that work in breeding and genetics in general. So the ability to have collaborators and a support system has been really great here at OSU. So my research program focuses on a few different areas of soybean genetics and breeding. One area is in improvement of the soybean seed quality, so increasing protein and oil without sacrificing yield, which is kind of a difficult thing to do because protein and oil have a negative relationship. So you increase one and you decrease the other, and then the combination of protein and oil together have an inverse relationship with yield. So if you try and make the soybean seed more valuable or have more of the good components in it, yield usually decreases. So we're kind of trying to make the most out of the carbon that the soybean has available to it. Another one of our goals in our soybean research is to improve disease resistance. So most of that work is focused on improving resistance to Phytophthora sojei, specifically quantitative and resistance, which is broad spectrum, so effective against multiple races of Phytophthora sojei. And we do that work in collaboration with Ann Dorrance and people in plant pathology. And essentially, we're trying to identify the genes that are responsible for that so we can incorporate them into our breeding program, and that so other soybean breeders can also incorporate those genes into their breeding programs to improve resistance to these important pathogens. So the impacts of our work are hopefully to improve yield and improve disease resistance in a sustainable manner for Ohio, but then also to release that material so that it can be used for breeding programs in other regions. Oh, it's a huge honor to receive this award. And it means a lot to me, but it also represents a lot of the work that my colleagues that I mentioned have contributed to this work, because none of it would be possible without my colleagues that are involved in the Center for Soybean Research, the Center for Applied Plant Sciences, and of course my department, Horticulture and Crop Science, and all the graduate students and postdocs that have contributed to the work over the years.